going on, guys? And today we are here back up on mini bike. Alright, so also if you see all this camping stuff here, I'm actually doing a 24-hour challenge, and after I'm done with this bike thing, making this video here, I'm gonna make a campfire. So if the other video you're watching, you know. Anyways, this video is gonna be posted probably a long while afterwards. However, what we're doing right now, I'm basically using my GoPro mounts, my best GoPro mount. So basically, I have the GoPro mount right there on my mini bike. I got one on my helmet, of course, and I also got one on my chest. So basically, yeah, I'm just gonna be filming all the GoPro mounts I have, starting off with my chesty here. And basically, I'm also going to be using my other GoPro mounts later on sometime. Like, maybe I'll be using my goggle one over in the river, maybe. And then my snowboard one I can't use well because obvious reasons, not winter. So yeah, let's basically get into this, and let's get at it, really. So just yeah. Oh my god. Oh, also, hit that subscribe button, while you're watching. The, video quality on the chest mount is probably gonna be awful, so please excuse that. Like, please, I'm begging you, don't mind it, ignore it. Alright? It's not on purpose, I swear. None of my crappy quality would ever be on purpose, because it's so crappy. I don't think anyone could perfectly create this crappy of quality. Yep. Hold on a sec. I just got it. There we go. So, yeah, get my watch on there. Some may be wondering, why is it on the outside? Well, it's a very sturdy watch. Yep. Gosh darn. Yeah, the Swiss Army watch is pretty sturdy. So are these gloves. God. Probably gonna cut this part out. There we go. There. Alright. Now we got that done and out of the way. There we go. Yeah. Alright, so let's get to it, basically, yeah. 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 Yeah, yee. I got a yee. Hold up for a second. Yeah, that was the chest mount. I wonder how high was the quality on that bad boy. Not very high quality. Probably very shaky. What did you guys see? What was the deal? Yeah, I'm pause recording. I'm gonna switch to my other mount now real quick. And I'm actually gonna switch to the front mount right here. So yeah, hold on for a second before I switch to that, and yeah. Alright, let's get this strapped on and see. It's at the front of the bike. Yeah, hey, how you guys like that angle? I mean, I think that looks great. Pretty straight angle on the bike itself. There we go. We're gonna give that a few pass arounds and yeah, see how good the quality of it is. Yeah. I mean, to be honest, it looks really freaking cool on the bike itself. I mean, from a visual point, when I'm looking at it, it looks freaking awesome. To be honest, it looks really cool. Yeah. Let's, get to this stuff. Oh my gosh. Yeah, let's do this. Yeah, turned off a bit there. Sorry. Yeah, this quality looks awful, doesn't it, guys? Sorry about this. Sorry about that. There we go. Yeah, that was the front mount. That might have been awful. It might have been great. I don't know. I'm gonna have to check the footage. But I'm assuming awful, to be honest. I am just best assumed awful. Alright, that's the best assumption to make of it. Yeah, because I mean, the GoPro was shaking like crazy, and that probably means the quality is going to be pretty shaky. Let me scroll down. Now, it's going to probably be the best quality one. The other two were okay. I mean, like the one on the bike was probably the worst. If I'm really going to be honest, it was probably the worst. That one probably be awful. The one on my helmet is probably the best, and then the middle one, where it was chest mount, is probably going to be okay quality, but not too good when I look back on it and everything. But yeah, I think that was alright. Now it's time to get on to the helmet mount and see how good this quality is. And then later on I'm gonna film maybe some diving with, well, actually that'll be another video. Yeah, my river adventures, I'll call it. You know what, shit, why not? I'll do a new thing like that. I'll start a new thing like that where I'm taking my goggles that have a GoPro mount, and yeah, I'll actually film that. You know what, frick it, why not? I'll do that another time. But in the meantime, right now, let's get back to this, and let's see how good the quality from this video is. Alright, so this is probably gonna be a lot better quality, if I'm really gonna be honest. Like, it's on my helmet and on my head, and when something's on your head, your neck is automatically an automatically stabilizer, so it basically always makes video quality on your helmet looks a lot better than anywhere else. Like, that's the best quality video footage you can get while doing something like this, and let's just hope it goes well. I mean, it probably will. I don't know, but yeah, let's just hope it does. And that, my smoke here right there, the exhaust is steaming hot. Like, incredibly hot, and it's kind of worrisome. Maybe spray paint got onto it or something, but I'll just have to, like, wait for it to be, like, completely, like, cool off, and then I'll have to, like, WD-40 it, and then I'll have to wait for that to completely dry and everything and cure and crap, but it's pretty rusty on it, so I probably got to get some WD-40 on there. Good thing I just got a new can of that though. But yeah, I'm also thinking to get a new bike soon. I don't know, but I'm thinking about it a lot, and I have a ton of old matchboxes from the 1970s worth thousands and thousands of dollars. So if I could pawn that crap in, and I could buy a brand new bike, and I'm thinking of this really nice one that's pretty good. Like, really dang expensive though, but it is really freaking cool, and in my opinion would be so freaking worth it. And it's an off-road and on-road bike. It's a dual sport, and I can get it street legal pretty easily. So I can go to a lot more places to make a lot more dirt biking, exploring videos and crap. Which, basically when I'm 16, I'm 14 now, 15 July. When I'm 16, I'm gonna be able to make a ton more videos. And I mean, my channel is gonna have so much more content on it. And I mean, I really wanna be a YouTuber, but it's not very possible unless people watching these videos share it with their friends and sub. So I do have to beg you a lot, please, to subscribe and share it with a friend, because that would really help my channel out. And getting new subs is kind of a hard thing, because you could be posting some of the greatest of content on YouTube, but it doesn't matter. If you're not getting it to a big enough audience, and you're not getting anyone to sub, then your amazing content isn't going to be seen nor heard, and you're not going to be able to blow up your channel. Like, I was doing things that would, you know, make people think you would be like one of those bigger YouTubers, like way bigger. I was tying freaking sleds and rope to golf carts and crap, going to town, having fun with that. Did it with longboards a couple of times. I mean, man, that quality content, you'd think that I would have thousands of subs. Heck, maybe even a mil. But the thing is, I'm just a 14-year-old from Pennsylvania. And I don't know how to get to a huge audience other than YouTube. And even when I go to YouTube, it's hard to get to a larger audience when people aren't able to share my videos. But if I had enough people watching my videos and sharing them around, believe me, I would be able to make a lot more videos a lot more easily. It would be a lot smoother and an easier way for me to YouTube. But it's just not that easy sometimes, and it's a pain. Also, I've had some problems with the people that I was making videos with, so I'm not making videos with them anymore, and I have to do this solo now. It's just kind of a pain. But sometimes in life you just gotta adjust to crap when crap's being thrown at you. And yeah, I am just adjusting to it and just seeing how good the content looks. I just gotta know though, like, you know, it's looking like good content. But I am gonna start making some videos though where I'm going to the river and, you know, diving and everything with my goggles that can have a GoPro mount on it. I don't know how well this is gonna go though. I mean, it might go great, it might go smooth, it might go perfectly. Heck, I don't know how my life is gonna go at all. A deer could run out in front of me while I'm riding on these trails and I could frickin' die. I mean, that's just really how life can be. It took me a long time to learn about, you know, how to adjust to shit. And how life isn't, you know, hop on YouTube and get huge that easily. Just because I haven't been so successful in the beginning doesn't mean I'm giving up on it. So, you know, just gotta keep going with it. And, yeah. I'm thinking I should probably go diving in that river with my goggles and my GoPro here. Yeah. I mean, I am making 2 videos right now, though, because, I mean, I'm in the midst of a 24-hour challenge, and I'm still outside, so technically surviving and everything. And I'm just making a GoPro video right now, showing how good the quality of my GoPro is. But, yeah, y'all gotta tell me how good that's looking, and, I'm not giving up here, and I'm always gonna try with this crap. Like, I'm not gonna give up. Like, I am very stern about this, and I really want to make a career for mine. I mean, I need subs to do that. And the thing is, you know, I'm just not giving up. That's the thing. And the thing is, I just don't have the ability to give up. I'm not that type of person that just walks away from it. I can't. I mean, I might take a break from it, a huge break, but I'm not going to give up on it. I'm really not. I can't. And it's just that way for me. I mean, it's hard to freaking make content, though, when I've lost my one way of making content. I also lost a lot more in the process of that. I'm not pointing fingers or anything. I'm just going to say, I hope everything works itself out in the end. I don't know. But, yeah, I'm just gonna get back to making my 24-hour challenge, 24-hour, Jesus. I'm gonna get back to making my 24-hour survival challenge video, and, yeah. I hope this video looks good, though. And I'm gonna make a video soon of me diving in a river. with my goggles and my GoPro. I mean, crap, I can do that a bunch. And I mean a bunch and a bunch and a bunch. Like, I have easy access to doing that. And it's outdoors. Like, it's literally outdoors and everything. So, I mean, like, the Outdoors Gamer, I'm sticking to outdoorsy content. I made a second YouTube channel, the LaFuffel, where I'm making gaming videos. Or they're also, like, commentary/gaming videos. Go sub to that. It's probably going to be linked in the description. But, yeah. Until then, I'll see y'all in the next one. And, yeah. Try to share this with a friend. Also hit that like button. That really helps me a lot. It supports me. Let's try to get like 2 likes on this video. Like, seriously, start small, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, also hit that subscribe button. I promise you this can't, hit that big red button, man. I promise you this world won't blow up, but this YouTube channel will. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.